Hi, in this video, let me show you how you can download free games on your HP laptop without going on any website. The first thing we need to do is to open the Microsoft Store. Down below, it should look like this, like a shopping bag. If you don't see it, go into the search bar and type Microsoft Store, and one of the options should be it. It comes installed with your PC. So we're going to open it. To find free games, go on the left side, click on Gaming, go down, and here you're going to see a bunch of options, including free games. Click on here, and everything that you see down below is totally free. There's literally hundreds of games ready to be downloaded. So let me pick a random one over here. This one, I'll click. Just like on your phone, you're going to click on the game and select Get. And it will do the rest for you. You don't have to stay on this page. You can open a web page, do something else, some work, some homework, and it will download and install automatically. You don't have to click on anything. You just have to wait at this point. It has finished downloading, so I will play by pressing the play button here. You can also close this Microsoft Store, and since the game is installed, if I go over here in the start button, I click on show all, I'll be able to see that the game has been installed. It will be one of the first one here. If you want to add the game on your desktop, drag it and it will stay here, and it's much easier to access it. And just like that, the game will load and I'll be able to play. If you want to delete any games that you have downloaded, click on the Windows Start button, click on Settings, click on Apps, Installed Apps. And here are all the apps and games and programs that you have on your HP laptop. So go down, find the game you want to delete, go over here, click the three dots, uninstall, uninstall. And it will be gone and it will save you some space. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.